or welcome back to my channel. So today I am giving you guys a review on this unit sent to me by Julia Hair. But first I need you guys to like, comment, subscribe, and let's just get into the video. So this wig is giving me 60s retro housewife vibes. I don't know if it's because I have on the polka dots or what, but this is definitely out of my comfort zone. I haven't had bangs since high school, but here we are. So this unit was sent to me by Julia Hair on Amazon. So the hair comes packaged in this cute little box. In the box, they provide black wig caps and also adjustable straps if you would like to add that onto the unit. So here's the unit straight out of the box. There are no combs in this unit, but there are adjustable straps in the back as well as the straps that they provide. There is also no lace on the unit. I'm gonna adjust the straps to the tightest fit and slip the wig on my head. As you can see by my face, y'all, I did not know what to do with this wig. I really felt like it was out of my hands, out of my control, but we didn't give up and we got something cute going. So this wig is super affordable. You can get this unit in 14 inches like I have for just $80. The hair is super soft and has a lot of body and movement. So I've cut a lot of the bangs off, but I don't know. This whole wig it's a challenge right now, but we'll get it together. I just don't know how yet. I'm just gonna leave the bangs alone for now and work on the rest of this. This is just too long. So this wig is 150% density and it's made of Brazilian Remy hair. I like this hair. I feel like it's good quality, especially for the price. The only con I can think of right now is the flyaways. There were so many little short wispy pieces that eventually I put some foaming wrap on. Of course, this is cut super uneven right now, but I have a gist where I want to go, so I'm gonna stick it on my mannequin head, and once I clean it up on the mannequin head, I'll be back. So I've done all the cutting I think I'm gonna do to this unit. I think I got it pretty much to my liking. I don't really know how I feel about myself with bangs. I haven't had bangs since high school and I'm kind of seeing why, but I'm just gonna bump the ends with my flat iron. This unit was 14 inches, so we took, I would say probably at least 2 inches off, but it's better to go longer than short because you have more wiggle room to work with, especially if you don't know what you're doing like me. flyaways. So I'm just gonna use some of this Lotta Body mousse to kind of get those to lay down a bit. Thank you to Julia Hair for sending me this unit, and thank you so much to you guys for subscribing, liking, sharing, coming back for another one. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.